Present company, except the worst. It happens every night. Present company, excluded every time.